Oh dear, look at this. Oh, it's Tuesday the 3rd of March and I'm out on the bike. And thought I'd see how far I could get today. So I've just bumped into Simon and he's decided to join me for a little bit, so we'll see how we go. I know I'll be upping the pace from now on. Don't worry, it's alright. Okay, we're going to go straight to the bottom and then left. Yep, I knew he'd go for this. Yep. No. The aim, it's not a hard aim, but the aim is to head towards Shoreham on the coast, which is quite a big ride. But I just thought I would just start riding, see how the trails are, and you know, not be averse to just giving up if the trails got too hard, just because it's still early in the year. Right, I'm on the chalk pit lane climb. First real mud here, further back down, but it's dried up a bit here now, the higher you get. What a view. There's Simon. Bloody hell. That was a big bump. Checks his tyres. And it's instantly got quite hard going here. Just cutting across to the North Downs way. This way. Right, that's a bit disappointing. I didn't even get off Ranmore Common, and as soon as I hit some serious mud I thought, oh, I can't be bothered. So I've turned around and I'm back on the road heading back home. Disappointing, yes, but probably the sensible option. Hold on. Didn't want to get taken out by a skip lorry. So this is Denby's, the descent, and we've got Leith Hill over there, and the Dorkings nestling in the valley there. There's you can just about see Leith Hill Tower in the little notch in the trees there. Well, I can anyway. Right, I just stopped for a very good flat white and a sausage bat at the Sunshine Cafe, but I missed the best coffee in town, and that's where another couple of cyclists have stopped. So Leatherhead locals, did I miss a trick here? Is this where I should have gone to? What's it look like? Oh, it looks alright in there, doesn't it? Right, I was just heading through Ashted and bumped into my old mountain biking buddy Terry. Hi Terry. And we had a good old chat, and now I'm off-road again, still heading home, but just doing it the interesting way. Hiya. So as you can see, the proper gravel trails have dried out amazingly well and amazingly quickly, but as soon as you get off those and onto what my mate Graham would call the mountain bike trails, then they're utterly cut to bits still. Haven't drained at all. So it's probably going to be another week at least. So I'll stick to my gravel trails and urban gravel before I try that again. 4-acre wood. Ow! Ow! I used to be a werewolf, but I'm all right now. And on that note, hopefully you enjoyed it. It doesn't matter, look, it was an abandoned ride, but it doesn't matter. I'm still out having fun on a work day. So, until the next ride.